Hey there, how are you? I hope you are good. So today I am back with another video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So in today's video, we are going to make some planters using waste bottle. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please follow there. The links is in the description. So let's begin with our first planter. First we have to take a bottle and then we have to give a border line to the bottle. After drawing the line, now we will cut the bottle like this. I am making two planters of this kind, so here is the second bottle. Now we will apply gesso to both of the bottles as a base coat. You can use white color as a base coat or you can also use homemade gesso for this. After the gesso is dried completely, we will start making some interesting designs in the bottle. I am making the polka dotted design with orange shade of acrylic color. You can use any shade of acrylic color to make designs and you can make any type of design in the bottle. Here I am using old paintbrush for making dots. If you have dotting tools, you can use them for making the dots. Now I am painting the bottle cap to give a pretty look to the bottle. Now our bottle is ready and the color is dried completely. So let's give a coat of varnish to secure the paint. After the varnish is dried, let's make some holes to the bottle for ventilation of plants. I am using the sharp knife to make holes. You can also use soldering iron to make holes. Now the planters are ready, so let's use them. If you like this planter and make it, then you can share them with me on my Instagram handle. The link of the Instagram handle is in the description. So now we will make the second planter. In the bottle we will make design like this and cut it out with the help of a cutter or a knife. we will apply a coat of gesso as a base coat to the bottle. Now gesso is dried up completely, so let's paint the bottle. I am giving a coat of red acrylic color to it. Now the red color is dried up, so let's make some small flowers using white pearl color. I am using 0 number brush for making the flowers. Last, we are going to make some dots with 3D outliner. You can also apply varnish to secure the paint. Now we will take a cap of the bottle and put a jute string in it. Now the blender is ready. If you like this blender and make it, you can also share it with me on my Instagram account. The link of the Instagram account is in the description box. Now we will make our last blender. For this we need 2 bottles of same kind and same size. First we will draw an outline to cut the upper portion like this. Now we will cut the portion of the bottle along the outlines we have made. Let's apply gesso to it as a base coat. Now the gesso is dried up completely, So let's make some interesting design with the help of green 3D outliner. Now the design is dried completely, so let's paint our leaves with green metallic color. I am using 6 number brush to paint the border. I am also painting on the cap of the bottle, which gives a nice look to the bottle. The paint is dried, so let's make some holes to hang it with the jute rope. Let's attach the jute rope to it. I am tying 2 knots to secure it. At last, make holes for the ventilation of plants. Now the planter is ready, so let's decorate the planter. If you like this planter and make it, then you can also share it with me on my Instagram handle. The link of the Instagram handle is in the description box. Don't forget to like the video, share and comment, and also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified.